Chapter 2. Comparison. Big and small. The whale is big. The turtle is small. Now let's take the big animal and cross the small one. Which one is bigger, the elephant or the dog? Yes, the elephant is big and the dog is small. So let's take the elephant and cross the dog. Which one is bigger, the shark or the fish on the right? Yes, the shark is big and the fish on the right is small. So let's take the shark and cross the fish on the right. Now let's color the bigger objects red and smaller objects blue. Which one is bigger, shirt or t-shirt? Which one is bigger, the shirt or the t-shirt? Yes, the shirt is bigger, so we need to color it red. The t-shirt is smaller, so we need to color it blue. Which ball is bigger, football or cricket ball? Yes, the football is bigger, so we need to color it red. The cricket ball is small, so we need to color it blue. Heavy and light. The watermelon is heavy. The apple is light. Now let's take the heavy object and cross the light one. Which of these objects is heavier? Yes, the cylinder is heavy, so we need to tick this box. The bat is light, so we need to cross this box. Who is heavier? Yes, the boy on the left is heavy, so we need to tick this box. The boy on the right is light, so we need to cross this box. Now let's color the heavy object green and light objects blue. Which fruit is heavier? Yes, the watermelon is heavy, so we need to color it green. And pomegranate is light, so let's color it blue. Which animal is heavier? Yes, the hippopotamus is heavy, so we need to color it green. The cat is light, so let's color it blue. Tall and short. The tree is tall. The plant is short. Now let's take the tall animal and cross the short one. Which animal is taller? Yes, the giraffe is tall and the deer is short. So let's take the giraffe and cross the deer. Which bird is taller? Yes, the ostrich is tall and the pigeon is short. So let's take the ostrich and cross the pigeon. Now let's color the taller objects green and shorter objects brown. Which tree is taller? Yes, the tree on the left is tall, so we need to color it green. And the tree on the right is short. Let's color it brown. Which animal is taller? Correct. The camel is tall, so we need to color it green. And the goat is short. Let's color it brown. Long and short. Lion has a long tail. mouse has a short tail. Now let's take the long objects and cross the short one. Which pencil is longer? Yes, the second pencil is long and the first one is short. So let's take the second pencil and cross the first one. Which of these brushes is longer? Correct. The first brush is long and the second one is short. So let's take the first brush and cross the second one. Now let's color the longer object red and the shorter object blue. Which of these fruits is longer? Yes, the first fruit is long. So we need to color it red. The second fruit is short. So let's color it blue. Which screwdriver is longer? Correct. The first one is long. We need to color it red. The second one is short. So let's color it blue. More and less. These are more children. These are less balls. Now let's take the one that is less. The oranges on the right are less in number. So we need to tick this box. Here, there is only one burger on the right. So we need to tick this box. Now let's circle the one that is more. Here, the butterflies on the right are more in number. So let's circle them. Here, the flowers on the right are more in number. So let's circle them. Near and far. The girl is near the car. The boy is far from the car. Now let's take the one which is near the hut and cross the one which is far from the hut. Which of these dogs is near the hut? Correct. The white dog is near the hut and the brown dog is far from the hut. So let's take the white dog and cross the brown one. Now here the bicycle is near the hut and the girl is far from the hut. So let's take the bicycle and cross the girl. Now let's color the object. Now let's color the near object blue and far object dark brown. Which of these animals is near the tree? Correct. The rabbit is near the tree. So let's color it blue. The horse is far from the tree. So let's color it dark brown.